Okay, today we're going to do the same thing we've been doing, but we're going to write percents as equations instead of as proportion. So we're going to take the same exact question we used in 6.3. 25% of 12 is 3, has 3 numbers. In real life problems, any one of these numbers can be unknown, because remember that the percent is your fourth number because it's over 100. So basically, you're going to take and cut this out exactly as you did the last time. And this is one chunk, two chunk, three chunks. All of these are individual. So 6 and 7, 8, 9 chunks here. All of these are bold. And then your equation is going to look like this. So what you need to do is you just need to cut them all out. So you can pause this video because underneath of this, I already did that. So then when you're done, it should look like this. That what is 25% of 12 are the two pieces up here that were not 3. So when you're asking what is, you're finding the part because is the part. 3 is what percent of 12. The number missing from up here is the 25%. Is asking what percent, so you're finding a percent. 3 is 25% of what? You're missing the 12 because you're doing of what. So the of is the whole, so you're finding the whole. So then down here, you take the part of the whole goes here, the percent in decimal or fraction form in the whole, and you make an equation. You're going to know 3 of these numbers. Actually, you're going to know 2 of them in solving for the third one. So your percent, you actually write it in decimal form. So if I took the first equation like this, what is 25% of 12? I would put 25% as the decimal, 25%, 0.25. It's the percent in fraction form, or decimal form, sorry. And then I'm going to do of 12. Of was the whole, remember, so the 12 will go here. And so then when you multiply this, because that little asterisk is a multiply, you would get your final answer of 3. And so that's, but you could end up putting an X in here for this one. If it was the 3 is what percent, you would have these two numbers and vice versa. We're going to do lots of practice with this over the next couple of days, and then you'll have a quiz and you'll be able to do proportions or equations. It's just another way of doing it, and you'll be able to choose. So if you understand this and put that book together, you'll get a point for that page.